Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. So today, guess what we are doing? So yeah, we are at the backyard and guess what's inside the box? Come see. Look what I got in here. These are Calla Lily bulbs and I winterized it in the basement. And now it's time for it to plant on my container. Let's take a look at the other box. So that's one box. And then here, there's another box right here. Look. So look at this. They are so big. And here are my geraniums. You think this is dead, but I am going to plant this as well. So what I have to do is I have to soak this in water first and it will come alive. I overwinter this as well in the basement together with my Calla Lily bulbs. So what I do is every year I dug up my Calla Lily bulbs and then store it in the basement, and when during springtime like at this time, it's the perfect time to take it out and plant it in all of this container right here. These are going to be filled with Calla Lily and they're going to be look beautiful in our front yard. So this is what I do every year. So I have many of them, so I can plant anywhere here in the garden with my Calla Lily bulbs. Okay, I'll show you how to do it. These are the composts that I made last year. So now it's the perfect time to use it. So I am using an organic fertilizer. This is called Acti Soil. So it's a mother hen fertilizer, so it's made from chicken manure. Handful of it, and then my organic compost. The lily will grow beautifully and bloom beautifully. Right, so I'll just place our lily in here. So I'm choosing those. So I'll place 1, 2, 3. There. We'll have 4 bulbs in here. So there you go. Now we have one pot made with a Calla Lily. In about a month, this Calla Lily will bloom beautifully. We'll just water it later on. Now I'm going to do the other container. So just make sure when you plant your Calla Lily bulb, the pointy tips are facing up and the flat bottom will be at the bottom side. There you go. That's 2. See, as you can see in my compost, there's a lot of eggshells in there. Something is growing in there, but I'm not sure what is that. Maybe some of my vegetables. Already. There you go. So in here we'll add 5 calla lily bulbs in here. Right there. See, the eye is right there. I'll put one right here in the middle. There we go. So I've been planting these calla lily bulbs for about 5 or 6 years. So it started from 3 little bulbs. So each year, every time I dug it up from the garden, it grows and grows and grows and make more bulbs, and it multiplies. Now look at this. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. So I hope you enjoy gardening as well this season. Bye for now.